Are you interested in gold or precious metals? As oil prices rise globally and the US and global institutions are now adopting cryptocurrencies, the question is Bitcoin poising a big comeback? And if you mga ka-RFF are looking beyond your usual investments in the stock and bond market, you're in for a treat as this video is made for you. Hello mga ka-RFF, this is Jung Fernando from Brantford Financials. Kamusta po kayo? Today's topic will be very interesting for both beginner and experienced investors as we will talk about alternative investments. Pero bago po ang lahat, alamin muna natin kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng alternative investments. Unlike traditional investments na kilalang-kilala na natin such as local stocks, bonds, mutual funds, UITFs, and cash equivalents, ang mga alternative investments present an opportunity for us investors para mapalago pa ang ating growing portfolio. Kabilang po dito ang forex and global currencies, commodities such as sugar, wheat, precious metals like gold and silver, energy and oil, and even cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum that are all rising in popularity and exposure globally. They are considered alternatives dahil nagbibigay po ito ng additional investment options to complement our existing traditional portfolio and may bring potential for higher returns but usually din naman po carries higher risk compared to traditional investments. Kaya ngayon, minarapat namin na ihatid sa inyo ang video na ito together with our friends at xm.com. Let's talk about the 5 compelling reasons why you should start to consider investing in alternative investments. So, if you're ready mga ka-RFF, let us begin. Reason number 1. It gives you additional diversification options. Isa sa mga major benefits of investing in alternative investments ay nasi-spread out mo ang iyong capital into different asset classes. This can help to reduce your risk and improve your chances of achieving your financial goals. Sabi nga, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Alternative investments such as forex, global stocks, and commodities offer you the opportunity to diversify your investment portfolio beyond the usual Philippine stocks and bonds which can be subject to concentration risk. Dahil sa Pilipinas lang ang investments mo, nakadepende rin lang sa paglago ng Philippine economy ang paglago ng investments mo, which may not be enough especially if you are looking for market opportunities. Also, the downside is if there are events that can affect the Philippine economy or the overall market sentiment on Philippine securities, your investments may be at risk since your investments domicile ay dito lang din po sa Pilipinas. If you want to have exposure in global currencies such as the US dollar, euro, Japanese yen, or you want exposure to precious metals such as gold or silver for diversification, alternative assets can be a good part of your strategy para mas mapalawak pa ang inyong investment horizon. Reason number 2, it gives you access to global markets and assets. Traditional brokerages here in the Philippines are mostly limited to local stock or fixed income investments, but good news, did you know that there are platforms nowadays that give us access to global markets? With these platforms, maaari na rin tayo makisali sa earnings potential sa global stocks of biggest companies in the world such as Apple, Google, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, and more. Di na lang tayo local investors, global na din. Investing in global stocks can give you advantages dahil makakasali ka na din sa paglago ng mga industriya na hindi readily available sa Philippine stock market katulad na lamang ng technology, pharmaceuticals, fintech, global consumer brands, biotechnology, and even artificial intelligence like ChatGPT, which is now fast rising in popularity and usefulness. Kaya, it is important to choose then the right platform for you. Platforms that will give us Filipinos access to these alternative assets. And one of the fast rising platforms out there is xm.com, ang broker na extra din sa amazing features and promotions. Trade with confidence and convenience with xm.com, the globally licensed online broker that takes your trading experience to the next level. With XM, you can trade forex and CFDs on a wide range of instruments including stocks, stock indices, commodities, metals, and energies, all with a single trading account. Rest assured, xm.com is a legitimate broker with a global reputation for reliability and client fund safety. Whether you're a beginner or a pro in trading, you'll find the XM platform easy and convenient to use from account opening to the actual trading. So, go extra with XM. Xtra Mile. Trade more than just forex. Explore crypto, commodities, global stocks and indices, and more. Sign up and get started with a free $30 no deposit bonus instant. Trade on the go anytime with your XM app for Android and iOS. Bitcoin and crypto markets never sleep, round the clock, even on weekends. And the XM app will equip you and get you ready to take advantage of these market opportunities. Extra leverage. Capitalize the extra leverage XM offers in forex, crypto, and more. For those seeking to amplify their edge, especially in the world of cryptocurrency markets, XM app just had the recent leverage change from 250 to 1 to 500 to 1. Talk about possibilities, extra learning, and of course, XM shall make you equipped with the latest learnings and strategies to help you get ahead in the world of alternative assets for free. XM's live education sessions are for free from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Even if you are a newbie investor or an experienced trader, you'll surely benefit from these live sessions and get your questions answered in real time. XM is not just any broker. XM is what your broker should be. If you're interested to know more, check out the link in the description box below and make sure to follow XM on the social media accounts. And so going back to our 5 reasons, here is reason number 3. It gives you protection against market volatility. Do you know that alternative assets can give your portfolio hedge or protection against market volatility? Hindi lamang laging paakyat ang market. Downturns and periods of uncertainty can happen just like what we saw during the pandemic and the Russia-Ukraine war, and negatively affected most traditional assets. Alternative assets often have a low correlation with traditional financial markets such as stocks and bonds. Ibig pong sabihin, kapag ang stock market ay volatile or experiencing downturns, ang mga alternative assets ay maaaring hindi po gaanong volatile or maaari po itong tumaas ang value. This can help you fortify your portfolio and help you strategize more by giving your alternate options where to invest in. They can also give you options in safe haven assets. Ang mga safe haven assets katulad po ng precious metals like gold and strong global currencies like the US dollar are time-tested stores of value and tend to go up in price in periods of market turmoil dahil gustong proteksyonan ng mga seasoned investors ang kanila pong investment portfolio in times of distress at limitahan din po ang kanilang market exposure until favorable market environment comes back. And alternative assets can provide you options to do the same. And so, moving on, the next reason is reason number 4. It gives you protection against inflation. Ang inflation ay ang pagtaas ng presyo ng goods and services over time. And it represents ang pagbaba ng purchasing power ng inyong pera. This generally can have a negative effect on traditional assets, lalo na kapag mataas ang inflation dahil lumiliit din po ang purchasing power ng cash at hand, kadalasan na hindi masyado bumibili at nagko-consume ang mga tao kapag mataas na ang inflation. Dahil po dito, ang mga earnings ng companies ay maaari rin pong bumaba dahil sa lowered revenues, while ang cost of production and manufacturing ay tumataas, which usually impact general market sentiment against the stocks of these companies. However, some assets such as gold and oil are favored in these conditions as they are commonly known as inflation hedges. Ang inflation hedge is an investment that is expected to maintain or increase its value during periods of inflation. Gold is a precious metal that has been used as a store of value for centuries. It is not subject to the same volatility as the stock market, and it can be a good hedge against inflation. Oil also tends to rise higher during these periods since it is a commodity. Ang mga commodities ay ang mga raw materials na ginagamit sa production and manufacturing katulad ng corn, sugar, metals, coal, and oil. Kapag mataas ang inflation, tumataas din po ang demands for commodities, which in turn makes the price for these commodities higher. At dahil major commodity ang oil, kadalasan na tumataas ang presyo nito in times of high demand. Knowing this, magandang idea din po na magkaroon tayo ng access at magkaroon ng exposure sa mga alternative investments like gold and energy assets. This way, magkakaroon ka ng defensive and even opportunistic strategies na panlaban din po sa negative effects of inflation sa inyong investment portfolio while taking advantage of the favored assets during these conditions. And so, last but not the least is reason number 5, which is it can give you potentially higher returns. Alternative assets can give you potentially higher returns due to several factors due to the nature of the assets. Most of the alternative investments are global in scope, and by studying the current supply and demand, maaaring makapag-provide ang alternative investments ng unique opportunities that can be taken advantage of to generate returns. For example, maaaring ma-anticipate ang supply and demand sa commodities or oil market by following geopolitical events around the world that may affect its price. Or, dahil sa pagtaas ng interest rates, maaaring ma-predict din ang pagtaas sa demand for US dollar, which in turn can be a signal for weakening currencies for other countries. Kaya mahalaga din po na lagi tayong informed about the market and what are the factors affecting the global and local economy so that we can also take advantage of these opportunities and grow our portfolio. With proper market research and guidance, you will be more confident in making your investing and trading journey. Pero as always, tandaan po natin na this is not financial advice. And we as investors still must do our own research and due diligence. Dapat nag-i-invest din po tayo para sa financial goals natin. Alamin din po natin ang ating personal time horizons and appropriate investor risk appetite para po sa katuparan ng ating mga pangarap. And should you have questions or any reactions regarding this video, kindly post it in the comment section. We also want to hear from you mga ka-RFF. And so, based po on what you've learned from this video, what other alternative investments do you think will you try out? Is it forex or gold or oil? Did XM's crypto leverage excite you to trade crypto? Don't miss out on what XM has to offer. Alam niyo naman po na as our ka-RFF, we want you to know what are the opportunities out there that you can grab and take advantage of, especially in these times of ever-changing investment landscape. Feel free also to like and share this video to your family and friends. The more people who know, the more that we could also help others. And if di ka pa nakasubscribe sa aming channel, please do so and be updated sa mga latest videos na ilalabas pa po namin very soon. Again, this has been Jung Fernando saying thank you very much for watching and we'll see you again in our next video. Stay safe and God bless.